Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Here is the message this week. It says, Good morning, class. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. This week we are celebrating Earth Day. Earth Day is a holiday to remember the planet that we all live on and to think about how we can help it thrive. When you help something or someone thrive, you help it to live a healthy life. So what can we do to think about our only planet and treat it nicely? This week, you will have work to do to figure that out. Here are some ideas. It could be things that are so simple, like keeping your garbage secure so it doesn't blow all over the place, or stay on a trail or path so you don't damage the wildflowers. It could be something bigger, like planting a tree or picking up the litter on a safe patch of road with an adult. But remember, no matter what you do, big or small, you make a difference in treating our world nicely. One more thing, I always say, we are here to make life better for others, to make people smile. Let's help make the earth smile this week. Keep working hard at home, helping each other and using your grateful words like thank you, I appreciate you, and compliments. Here's a compliment for you. I love how you always come into our class with a smile on your face. It is the best way to start our day, and I hope we can do it again soon. Love, your teacher, Miss Chambers. Okay, and I do love you. You know that. All right, down. Oh, P.S. Happy birthday, Nolan, on 4/21. That's tomorrow. Okay, down here are our assignments. You have your next Scholastic News called Forest Helpers. Handwriting, the assignment's the same. Here's a little tip though, remember, try to make your letters sit on the baseline. That's the bottom line. You do not want them floating up into space, but you're doing a good job with this, okay? The April Math Journal, 4 single pages, it's the same. Ready Math Book, we have, first I want you to get on iReady if you can, and do the lessons I've assigned to you. Should just pop up when you log in. Okay, it's all about shapes this week. Your login card was in your bag, but if you've lost it and you need to get on iReady, just send me an email or a message and I'll get that to you. And then the workbook pages, the Ready Math book pages are 173 to 177. It's all about shapes. Okay, your next thing is your writing assignment this week is informative. That's facts. So you need to choose any animal, learn about them, and write some interesting facts that you've learned. Remember, a fact is something that is true about the animal, not your opinion. Okay? And I'll put little videos here for math, writing, and reading. So you can look at those lessons if you need to. For your reading, get on Mayan and read Earth Day 2020 project, and then do the workbook pages here. It's for your reading workbook. The spelling pattern this week can be tricky. So check out my lesson video if you need some help. But take a look at the spelling words. And on page 158, I think it was. And study those. Social studies, make a map of your house, your yard, or your block in your neighborhood. Make sure to label where things are, okay? A map, you always tell people where they are. So you can even make a map of, inside your refrigerator. That could be easy as that. Top shelf, what's on the top shelf? What's on the medium or the middle shelf? What's on the bottom shelf? Whatever you want to do. For science, 2 things. Mrs. Tipton's helping out this week with the Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a website. You can copy and paste this link or do whatever you need to do. Now, she's got a scavenger hunt for Earth Day this week, so check that out. You can go out and do the scavenger hunt and not post a video. That's fine. You can go out and do the scavenger hunt and post a video, whatever you want to do. But we want to make sure that on Flipgrid, we are only posting videos that have to do with whatever Mrs. Tipton wanted us to do. We're not going on there and talking to our friends and saying how much, whatever. The video needs to be about what Mrs. Tipton wants us to do, okay? And then another thing here is a marker and a paper towel experiment. So I put a YouTube link here to show you how to do that. I also have directions at the bottom of the page that tell you how to do that. Okay, for specials, here's specials website here. Spirit Day. Take a picture of yourself doing an Earth Day activity this week. Send it to me, and I will send it on to Mrs. Davis, and she will post it. And then check the Bull site on Wednesday for Mrs. Mottman's Wellness Wednesday lesson. And don't forget, get exercise every day, okay? I know sometimes we're just working and working and working, but we need to make sure we move our bodies too. Okay, so that's the word this week. And I hope it's a great week. Bye.